Hi there and welcome to today's class. We want to look at how we can possibly prove this trig identity. Very first start is that the question says prove that 1 minus, please, it is not cos 2 theta, it is called cos squared theta. This one is given as sec squared theta, right? This one here is sine squared theta. So it says 1 minus cos theta all over sec theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta, right? So we are trying to prove left hand side being equal to the right hand side. That's the concept. So it means that I'm going to pick out this right hand side, this one here, pick it out, and after writing it out here, I'll break it down, I'll simplify it such that my final answer should be what I'm having here. That's the concept. So very first task here, let me erase this. So erase this one, erase this. Alright. So I'm having 1 minus cos squared theta all over sec squared theta minus 1. Alright. I want to prove this identity. What do I do? Alright. This is now equal to, since first, there is a possible way I can express this and this. Now listen and listen.
Hold on. Before you continue this lesson, I need to tell you something important. If you've been struggling with studying, losing motivation, or you feel like you're working hard, but your results aren't showing, this is for you. I recently released a powerful book titled The Shortcut to Academic Success. It is a simple, practical guide that shows you exactly how to study smarter, stay focused, remember more, and achieve outstanding results without stress. This book is not theory. It's a step-by-step roadmap I created after years of teaching students and understanding what truly works. Inside, you'll discover proven study techniques, exam strategies, productivity hacks, memory boosters, and secrets top students use every day. Whether you are in secondary school, university, or preparing for any exam, this book will transform the way you learn and help you reach your academic goals faster. And the best part? It costs only 2,000 Nigerian nairas, less than the price of a snack, but the value inside can change your entire academic journey. If you truly want to upgrade your grades and finally take control of your learning, don't wait. Get your copy of The Shortcut to Academic Success today. Your future self will thank you.
There are some things you need to familiar with, which are referred to as the trig identity. We call them the trig identity. You need to familiar with them. Number 1 is given as cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. This is the first one. Number 2, 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to sec squared theta. You should know this. The third one, finally, I have 1 plus cot squared theta is equal to cosec squared theta. These are very, very important. Like, they are very, very important in this identity. They are very, very important. These three are very, very important. Right? So you need to know this identity. Right? If you want to know about this trig very well, these three identities are very, very important, please. So I'm going to be using this identity to be solving this problem, right? So I'm going to come down here. Now, looking at this upper one here, what I'm seeing here, what I'm seeing in this numerator can be sensed. I can observe it in number 1, right? I can see cos theta and 1. I can see them here. So here's the idea. I'll pick out this first one that I have cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. If I try to make sine squared theta subject, I'll be having what I'm having here. So if I make sine, let me make sine squared theta subject. This will be equal to what? 1 minus what? Cos squared theta. This one here will move to the other side here. That will give you 1 minus, because it's positive that is coming here, become negative. So it means anywhere I see 1 minus this one, anywhere I see this, what I'm having here, I can replace it as what? As this. So it means what I'm having here will now become sine squared theta all over. Now let me erase this one. I'm not in need of this again. Let me erase this. I'm done with this. Now for this denominator, for this denominator here, I can sec square theta and 1 can be sensed in this second part, number 2. So if I write out number 2, 1 plus tan square theta equals sec square theta. If I try to make tan subject, so it means I'm having tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Why? Because this one will move to the other side here, becomes negative 1. So anywhere I see this one, which is what I'm seeing here, it can be replaced as what? Tan squared theta. So here becomes what? A tan squared theta, as you can see. Alright, moving on. Let me erase this. Let me erase all this. Alright, let me erase all this one here. Next up, please. Next up, from here, this gives you sine squared theta all over. Please listen and listen. From trigonometry, it is important to know that tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. This is very important to note too. Attach it to this one. This is not trigonometry, please. It's just concept to note, please. So if now this tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. So it means that if I have tan squared theta, just attach square to everything. That's it. So this tan theta can be expressed as what? Sine squared theta over cos squared theta. So I'm having this.
Before we continue this lesson, I want to share something that will make your learning experience even better. I now have exclusive channel memberships designed to help you learn faster, get direct support, and access premium content you won't find in my regular videos. The first level is the support membership. If you enjoy my lessons and want to support the channel while getting special perks, this is for you. It's a simple way to show appreciation and help me continue creating high-quality educational content. The second level is the WAEC and JAM classes membership. If you're preparing for WAEC or JAM, this membership gives you structured lessons, practice questions, exam strategies, and step-by-step guidance to boost your performance. The third level is the 100-level students membership. This is perfect for secondary school students who want organized, easy-to-understand lessons in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and other subjects. And finally, we have the YouTube Mastery membership. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, how to create content, edit videos, design thumbnails, and monetize your channel, this membership will guide you from beginner to creator. Whatever stage you are in, there's a membership designed to help you learn smarter, improve faster, and stay ahead. To join, simply click the membership link in the video description. Choose the level that matches your goals and start enjoying all the exclusive benefits.
This is now equal to sine squared theta. This all over, this one here means divided by, this one gives you sine squared theta all over cos squared theta. I will try to apply the law of reciprocal that says if I want to change division, this one here, division to times, what happens in that case? So I want to change this division sign, this one here, to multiplication. What do? It's simple as, now listen up, look up. This gives you sine squared theta times division, this division 2 times. The idea is that this denominator comes up first. That gives you cos squared theta all over. This numerator follows. That gives you sine squared theta. Alright, I'm having this, please. Alright, we're having this. Next up, let me take this, I'm going to adjust this a bit, upward a bit. Moving on, from here, this is now equal to, this will cancel this. It is mathematically correct. I'm having what left? I'm having cos squared theta left. I will go now. But I'm trying to break this stuff down such that my answer will be, look up please, such that my answer should be this. See, this should be this, right? So what I will now do in this case is that, now observe something please. I'm having cos squared theta left. This can be equal to, you know that I gave you identity that says cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. If I try to make this one subject, it means that I can say cos squared theta can be equal to what? This one, 1 minus what? Sine squared theta. So if I'm having this one here, the answer can become what? 1 minus sine squared theta. I have proved this, please. So I have proved this question here. I have just proved this question, this one here, to be equal to this, as you can see. So it means my left hand side to my right hand side has been proved successfully, right? So this is how you prove for this identity, as you can see on the board, right? As you can see on the board, right? Alright, as you can see on the board, this is how you prove for this identity, right? This is how you prove for this identity. Please don't forget I said you should go and memorize the trig identities. This one here, they are very, very much more important as you proceed in the study of trigonometry. See you guys in our next video, and welcome to Excellent Link Academy.
Before we continue with this lesson, I'm excited to announce that I just launched my official website, a complete learning platform designed to help you study smarter, learn faster, and access high-quality educational resources anytime you need them. On the website, you'll find several well-structured courses created to guide you step by step through the most important topics. First, we have Organic Chemistry for Beginners, a simple, beginner-friendly course that breaks down organic chemistry into easy explanations anyone can understand. Next, there are WAEC and JAM classes, specially designed to help you pass your exams with confidence using clear lessons, solve questions, and exam strategies. We also have the Physics tutorial for Year 1 students, covering foundational concepts you must master in your first year of higher education. And for anyone who wants to grow online, there is a complete course on how to start, grow, and earn on YouTube using only your smartphone. This course gives you everything you need to begin your YouTube journey without expensive equipment. There is also a book section on the website where you can get all my educational books, including the shortcut to academic success. My website is now your one-stop platform for science tutorials, exam preparation, YouTube training, and learning resources that can transform your academic and digital journey. To explore all the courses and get your copy of the books, simply click the website link in the video description. Before we continue, let me quickly share something that can change your entire online journey. I just launched a complete YouTube mastery course, a step-by-step training designed to help beginners start and grow a successful YouTube channel using only their smartphone. In this course, I break everything down in simple, practical lessons. No expensive camera, no studio, no complicated equipment, just your phone and the right knowledge. You will learn how to create quality videos, design engaging thumbnails, write perfect titles, choose the right niche, understand the YouTube algorithm, and grow your channel from zero, even if you've never created a video before. If you want to become an online teacher like me, this course will guide you on how to teach online record lessons, explain concepts clearly, and attract the right audience. And if you want to create content in any other field, lifestyle, motivation, entertainment, business, this course will still show you the exact steps to succeed. All the lessons are pre-recorded, well-organized, and easy to follow. You can watch them at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. So, if you've been dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but didn't know how to begin, this is your opportunity. This course will take you from beginner to confident creator. The link to get the YouTube Mastery course is right there in the video description. Click it and start your YouTube journey today.